Greetings and warm welcome. Anvation Labs is a 5+ years young organization based out of Hyderabad, India. We strive to be a trusted partner for smart IoT and analytics solutions. In the overall ecosystem of analytics targeting the BFSI, retail and e-com markets, our role is critical. We help customer-facing companies to build accurate and deployable solutions around the global platforms and ERP tools. We customize the generic models, cognitive services, and platforms to solve some of the unique customer and industry-specific challenges. Our offerings can be grouped into 4 major categories: call center analytics, model customization, IVR automation and botification, and IoT. Right from the batch or real-time analytics to any kind of model customization to deploying AI-assisted bots or smart AI-based IVR, we cover the entire gamut required around speech analytics. Our speech offerings extend into the IoT domain as well, where we offer DSP and ML-based classification solutions on speech. These speech solutions are built 100% around Azure. This is the demo for batch call analytics for call centers. An enormous amount of call center recordings are gathered in order to generate various insights on agent compliance and customer perception. Our batch analytics application runs on these recordings and derives various insights by applying custom AI/ML algorithms on top of the Azure Cognitive Services. This feature allows uploading of new audios in various languages by choosing the right option. Support for more Indic languages can be added as required. As soon as the audio is uploaded, the ASR engine kicks into action to do the transcription. We also customize the models for various scenarios, for example, background noise and industry-specific jargon, specific acoustic characteristics, etc. You can view the transcription live when the audio is played. Let's play some of it.
हेलो
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग सर, हाउ मे आई हेल्प यू सर?
हाँ, मैंने एक आपकी वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर किया था 2 दिन पहले।
ओके सर।
तो पेमेंट तो हो गया था,
Okay.
पर मेरा ऑर्डर अभी भी शिप नहीं हुआ है। आप चेक करके बता सकते हैं क्या हो रहा है उसमें?
While the
Okay.
transcription happens, the live sentiment of each utterance by either customer or agent is shown, which serves as a great metric to see how the call is going. We can customize the sentiment for industry-specific scenarios as well. We can also see the customer sentiment variation in the graph and the overall sentiment here. The overall sentiment is computed using a proprietary cascaded weightage algorithm which takes care of all sections of the call, opening, closing and in between, while laying significant importance to the call closure. Another feature is silence detection or the overall wait period detection. There could be an initial wait period till the agent picks up the call, and then there is a wait period where agent places the call on hold to look for information. This measure provides a great insight into effectiveness of the agent and the system. In this particular call, we can see there is around 40% of time of silence. Agent compliance check is another important feature this solution provides. We can select from a configurable list of compliance checks, for example, greetings, apology, upsell, co-sell, etc. Once configured, the AI engine automatically checks for them in the recording and reports the compliance percentage at the end of the call. One can click on the compliances and see where all it was done. This is a great way to ensure high compliance rates for a call center. It is common for customers, agents to get angry and use profane languages during the conversation. It's important to identify such scenarios and highlight, mask them as required. These are also used to understand the customer sentiment during the call. While the underlying cognitive services does detect basic profane words which you can see highlighted in red, we customize the model to detect local specific or regional lingo and slangs, highlighted in purple. This improves the accuracy significantly and helps understand the customer sentiments even better. So as you can see, overall, this application can give a lot of insight which is invaluable for improving overall customer satisfaction for call centers. We have the capability to customize this application as per exact needs of the client and provide them even better and accurate deployable solutions. Thank you.